Yes, we had a lot of fun, and although there are a lot of tears involved, I learned a lot, and you made the little girl become a lady. I've I've matured a lot because of you, and there are no bitterness, but I'd like to say thank you because you reminded me that in the fairy tale, yes, there are rainbows, there are butterflies, and it's so beautiful, but you reminded me that there are monsters in fairy tales, and I have to be careful, although there are still happy endings. Okay.
Temptation basically.
Yeah.
And I was crying and crying. This showbiz guy, boy, and we were in Plantation Day, they had a shoot or whatever. And I was with her and the manager of our restaurant. So she was crying and crying. I said, Manda, what are you doing? Diba? Didn't you look so stupid? And I remember her saying, if I could only just talk to you, like get into your head and tell you that this is not the guy, and this is what she has to be a mother and just sit there and watch my heart break because that's just what it's all about. And she had to experience that. So she would watch you from the windows of the I remember in her villa. Yeah. Andun siya umiiyak watching this boy. So heartbroken. But we're okay.
Alam mo yung plantation day?
Naalala mo ba yun? Naalala mo ba yun? Tapos yung pasok mo eh. Doon kami nag-part ways. Kasi we were dating for 4 years. Kasi I was young. Tapos parang dumating ako sa point na, ito na ba yun? Like, kami na ba talaga? Like, parang ito na ba yun?
We wanted days.
Tapos nung binigay niya, after a week, doon ko na-realize, hindi ko pala kaya.
Ako dun sa sinabi niya kasi, if I would have known, then I would have stayed. When